No matter what type of cleaning, it's always more pleasant to do it with the right tools. Here are some products that will help you ensure a good cleaning of your spa. First, cleaning wipes, which are soap-free, can be used for both floating toys and pool accessories. We recommend that you never use household cleaning wipes for your spa or pool, as they contain soap, which can damage your equipment. Body oils or creams may remain in your spa water after use. So to remove them and to do an effective cleaning, you can use the Zorbie or the scum ball. Both products work in the same way. Let them soak in the spa water to trap oil residue and minimize foaming in the spa. When the scum ball or zombie sinks to the bottom of the spa, after 30 to 90 days, their absorption power is gone and you need to replace them. If there is residue in the bottom of your spa, you can use a spa vacuum. Plug the opening at the end of the handle, immerse the vacuum into the water, remove your finger, and let the suction action do its work. The breeze are retained by the filter inside the vacuum, and you let the water flow back into the spa. When the filter is full, just empty it, rinse it, and start the process again.